Hey everybody, I'm Robert McLaws, the co-founder and CEO of BurnRate. It's Q4 finally here, and this godforsaken year is almost over. Planning season is upon us, and we know it sucks. It's time consuming, it's the worst, and that's why everybody puts it off as long as humanly possible. So we've been working very hard the last few months to make sure that you have all the tools in place to make your 2021 planning as simple as possible with better capacity plans than you ever expected. Now, many of our customers have been asking for the ability to export burn rate data to Excel. We've done our best to try to make copying and pasting into your spreadsheet as clean as possible, but it's caused a lot of problems. And dumping an Excel spreadsheet into your downloads folder to merge with your existing spreadsheet doesn't make a lot of sense either. So we set out to turn that notion on its head. Instead of exporting to Excel, we've submitted an add-on to the Office 365 marketplace that will let you import burn rate data into the spreadsheet of your choice without ever leaving Excel. When this goes live this month, you'll be able to keep your CFOs happy by giving them better data for capacity planning without making them give up the document they may have spent years crafting. As you adjust your plan, they'll be able to refresh the data as often as they'd like. Now, we only started on this 2 weeks ago, and we've been able to build this out faster than I ever expected. So I'm excited to share it with you today. Let's check it out. All right, so what I have here is a Excel spreadsheet that I've put together to help understand what the marketing funnel should look like. And this is a spreadsheet we're actually going to be posting to the blog here pretty soon. But you can see down here it has different tabs for different sections. And over here, as I switch these tabs, you can see I've manually copied and pasted the data from burn rate into the spreadsheet to use for my sources. I've set some funnel assumptions and how are my conversion rates going to work as they go through each part of the pipeline. And then I have an ACV right here. And so this spreadsheet very simply starts off at closed one, which comes off the deal flow tab to the number of deals that you need to get done. And that's right here, just for reference, this section right there. So then it works the way back up the funnel to be able to get you what's at the top. And then it takes that closed one and multiplies it by your ACV to tell you based on this how many deals you'll get done. And then here's your revenue target for those deals, right? Relatively straightforward stuff. But now I've got a problem. This model is 4 or 5 months old. I don't really know if it's going to work out. And since then, I've made some changes in my model and burn rate, and I want to be able to update my assumptions. So what we've built instead is something new to help you out. You can see here, I'm going to click the burn rate button inside Excel and open up burn rate for Excel. I'm very excited about this. I've made it really easy for you to come in and pick the company that's with your account, the different scenario, and then the team. And from there, pick which table you want to drop in. And so we're going to go to our top line right here. I'm actually going to highlight these. I'm going to delete these rows entirely. So we're going to drop in the top line right here. Click Add Table. Boom. Right off the bat, automatically formatted as a table. All the data is in place for you exactly as you need it. So we're going to move to deal flow over here and do the same thing. I'm going to delete these rows. I'm going to click there. I'm going to switch from top line to deal flow. I'm going to hit that. Boom. Data's right in exactly the way I need it. So I come back over to marketing and go, ah, crap. Screwed up all my stuff. Well, no problem. So I'm just going to go back here. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to go back to my deal flow. And I'm going to say this is the number of deals I needed to get done. Then I can take this and drag it all the way back over. Now all my formulas are fixed for that. I realized that in the process my ACV actually went from 24,000 to 30,000. So we're going to fix that real quick. Okay, assumptions changed there. So there's my actual bookings based on that. And then one more thing I have to do is go back to the top line, and instead of being at B8, we actually want that here. Total ARR added, B5. And then we're going to drag this across and to be able to show you there's the new results. And so Now I could see that based on fixing all the different problems with Excel in terms of rounding and when you deal with the number of deals you need versus ACV, and we help you solve those problems, our actual bookings are going to be higher than the revenue target, which is exactly what you want. The data is here, straight from BurnRate. I didn't have to worry about any of the other calculations. And the burn rate for Excel add-in will detect when you have burn rate data in your spreadsheet. And you can see here, if I go to table design, that this table has a specific name, so we can track that. And we will let you be able to go in and refresh that data on the fly without having to do what I just did, which was mess with the formula structure. So we're already working through the certification process with Microsoft on this, and we'll let you know as soon as it goes live in the add-in marketplace. It will be available to all customers that are on the BurnRate Enterprise plan. So if you're not on that plan yet, head on over to burnrate.io and check us out. Send us your feedback, and we're looking forward to building more features into this thing in the days ahead. We're really excited about getting it in your hands. So get out there and get back to selling. Have an excellent week, everybody. Thanks a lot.